following this is wonderful. On the way to ring from Washington, D.C., weighing 317 pounds, Batista! And the opponent, Miami, Florida, weighing at 248 pounds, Montel Vontavious Porter, and
nobody can stop me, nobody can hold me, nobody can control me. I'm coming, I'm here to do my thing, I'm here to bring the pain, I'm never ever change. Like drop the can, I got the juice, off of the leash, they let the dog loose. They call up, cook get scared when I call up.
These two superstars test each other's will to determine who the competitor is here tonight. What a hard knockdown, big time impact. Nice reverse. The big boot. What a sickening impact. Oh, an elbow drop. That'll get you some attention. Man, that must have felt like running into a wall. If you're not intimidated at the sight of a heavily muscled 6.5 foot animal like Batista, you better have your head examined. He's looking to put his opponent away right here. He's going for the pin!
What? I hope he didn't seriously think he was getting the pin there.
That's impact and then some. There's the cover! He hasn't done nearly enough to get the pin yet. And the knuckles connect. What a vicious shot to the knee. Basic but efficient maneuver.
Here's the pin. What? I'm looking for it. Dig the fork in it. This match is done.
here's your winner, Batista!
I don't think there's any question in mind who won that match.
There shouldn't be. If you pin your opponent and the ref counts 3, that's it.
And that may be it for the match. But I hope it's not the last time we see these superstars in the ring together.